Hi, this is Dr. Milind Bhatt. I am a classical homeopath. I give medicine on your dreams. I give medicine on your basic nature. So why do I have to give medicine on your dreams? Why nature? What is difference between you and me? We have two eyes, one nose, 2 ears. The difference is the way in which we think. And on that aspect, when we give the medicine, we can do wonders. Now, suppose if anybody is coming for the first time to the doctor, definitely the patient is going to wonder, why is he asking about my nature? And even if asked, he is not going to reveal everything. But a stage comes where he will say, this is me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, nothing beyond that. Or maybe they will not go out of the way to say the negative aspect. That time we ask about the dreams. And the dreams play a wonderful role in understanding human psychology. I will here narrate an amazing example. A patient had come with spine TB, and the doctor had mentioned, a big doctor of Bombay Hospital, that TB may go to the brain and something fatal can happen to this patient. I was just wondering, when a patient has everything in his life, why would he suffer from such big irreversible disease? When asked about his nature, he just mentioned everything is fine, he's multimillionaire, he has everything in his life, there is nothing to worry about. When asked to his mom, she said, oh, he's a very obedient child. The father also praised, the wife also praised. So I was just wondering, there has to be something. But I could feel something, so I asked about, tell me something if you are having any recurrent dreams or some. Two dreams which are recurrent. One was he's donating in bulk, and he just looked at me, and even I looked at him, because a rich person, a person who has a lot of money, if he gets a dream of donating, doesn't make any difference, or it's not of importance to me. So I was just waiting for the second dream. So the second dream was that he is piercing that knife into somebody's abdomen. He is enjoying that dream, that literally is pulling out the intestine. It is sadistic. It is not normal. The world knows that he is an obedient child, a quiet child. He is content. He has everything. Then why is he enjoying such a dream? Now, who would tell me the actual nature? The wife. So I called the wife. She looked at me. She said, sir, I have to tell you something, but then you promised me that it will be between you and me, because he is going to give me a big, because he will not like me revealing his nature. I said, okay, we are here just to cure him. She told me, sir, he would buy me a diamond ring. And one day he had got a diamond ring. He kept it on the bed. I saw the ring. I took the ring and I just tried wearing it on my finger. The moment he saw, he just beat me up, and I was looking at him, and he was heartless. I could not understand why he's doing this. He had got it for me, so when I'm wearing the ring, why is he, beating me? The second time, I was feeding my baby, and little bit curtain was open, and he started beating me. I found, from these two instances, I could understand that this patient is not normal. He has got bipolar, or he has got a split personality. On that aspect, we have a medicine called anacardium. Gave a dose of anacardium, and to everybody's surprise, that TB spine went away. And the best part of it was, the wife came and told me, sir, I cannot and I will never be able to forget you, sir, because his nature has changed. Previously he was restless, impatient, and very violent. He has developed patience and tolerance, and he has not beaten me since then. So this is how we treat homeopathy, from the nature. And when we get stuck somewhere, we ask about the dreams, and the dreams reveal everything about yourself. For more information, you can contact me, or you can reach me through livelet.com.